Boiled peanuts, everyone. Cooked and smoked turkey. Yeah, I'm glad to. Hello everyone, welcome again to Serving Soul. Today I have a surprise for all the southern people and the ones up north that's from the south. We all know what it is. Okay, for those who don't know, it's boiled peanuts. And as you see, it is a peanut. And then it's cooked in smoked turkey. This is a turkey bone. And let me see if I can find some skin from y'all for y'all. Uh-oh, what is this? See? Turkey again. Yes, you can eat the meat in the turkey. I mean, you know what I mean. Eat the meat in the peanuts. It's all cooked together. And I know I've been saying this for a minute and I apologize, but we will get there. I will show those who don't know how to make it. On that note, we're going to dig in. Okay. When you're making boiled peanuts, it's not dried peanuts where it was picked and then dried. It's green peanuts. You come, sorry, straight from, I'm gonna need another bowl, I'm sorry. Oh no, that's what I got this from, sorry. Comes straight from the peanut vine. The taste of the smoked turkey is all in the peanut. The peanuts, the juice is like a gravy for a peanut. Y'all, for those who know, you know. And they have peanuts, boiled peanuts, you can get them in this size. And you can also get them in like this size, the big ones. I like those too. You get to eat more with less openings. This is like a 1, a 2, and a 3. A 1, a 2, and a 3. If you take more steps than that, you're doing something wrong. See how some of the turkey right there? The turkey has the peanut taste in it, and the peanuts has the turkey taste in it. Very good combination. I wish someone were here to help me enjoy this. And also help me eat it naturally. But Normally when I cook it, I get a bowl full. Eat that, go get another bowl full. Tell myself I'm not going back to get no more. You got it. Get another bowl full. I live in South Florida. It was a minute, I don't know what was going on. I had trouble finding boiled peanuts. So I went to Orlando to visit my cousin, Stephanie. So I asked her, I said, do they sell boiled peanuts up this way? They should, right? She said, yeah, the store right up the street. I went and I bought several packs of them. Asked for my aunt, she was going up. I asked her to bring me a couple of packs down. Guess what? They were out. They didn't have any. So this is my first time having them again since then. Now you can take boiled peanuts and boil them without the turkey. Just put them in some water, little salt, garlic, whatever, however you want to mix. However you want to do it, because it's gonna cook down. All the seasoning is gonna go through the shell and onto and into the peanut. Plus, when you open it, you see it's moist, so you got juice in that too. And like I said, I don't know how other people may do it, but the smoke is what makes it. It has to be smoked. Smoked turkey. I would think you can do it with some pork too. I've never tried it with pork, but I did my sauce video. So many people now don't really eat pork like once was. I still love it here and there. You have to really let these cook. I think these cooked, I put them on this morning. Put them on this morning maybe around 11. I turned them off about 1:30 something to 2. I came back. It takes hours, but it ain't something you have to sit and watch. For those who never taste them, believe me, if you like peanuts, you really love these. And you can see some of them I'm opening, you may see the water running out. That's the juice that boiled in from the turkey. And they're not ready until they're soft inside. So if you ever decide to cook any, just be ready. Unless you got a pressure cooker, then you can get it done faster, but otherwise it's hours. But well worth it. Now, I'm gonna stop talking and eat, and you'll see how fast I can eat without talking with them. Yeah. You can boil these, put them in some freezer bag, and sell them. And believe me, they will be sold. Because it's hard to find. You can buy, I have seen them in the can, but they're not the same. They way overcooked. See? See how that's solid? In the can they be all mushy and all that. They just overcooked. Oh, excuse me. Overcooked too much. And once again, like I said, while you eating them, if you want to throw a piece of that cookie in your mouth, feel free. When I was young, I'm trying to remember, like I said, my father's parents were from the Bahamas. My mother's parents was from Georgia. So I can only assume, I don't really see Bahamians even talking about this. So I'm hoping I'm not mistaken, but I would think it came from my family in Pompano. I was young, but I never forgot the taste, and I've always ate them. Actually, it was Pompano. So I remembered it when I moved back from New York, that I hadn't tasted any for so long, and I asked one of my aunts, or it might have been my grandmother, and she told me how to cook them. Now mind you, it wasn't on the first try I got it right. Took a lot of packs of peanuts before I got to where I needed to be. Now I can cook them in my sleep. And I don't use a pressure cleaner. Pressure cleaner. Cooker. I'm going to find one. There's some juice in, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. You see the juice running out? See? See? Now some people, I'm going to show you how they eat them. You put it in your mouth. They suck them. These are so cooked. A lot of the shells, if you want to chew them up, which I don't do, but if you wanted to, it's good enough to eat too. But I wouldn't suggest eating them. If you don't chew them good enough, We don't know what they'll do to the intestine wall. Here's some more. Look at this. I don't like the way that one looks. Sometimes you find some, you maybe, should I eat it, shouldn't I eat it? If you guys think about it, don't eat it. Look at this big piece of meat. That's from the turkey. The turkey just separate. Y'all know what I'm talking about when I say separate. If you cook collard greens and you use meat, which I hope we all do that cook collard greens, we either use smoked turkey, smoked ham hock, or pork. And just like they've been collard greens, if you want to eat, help yourself. And look at this. If you're a person that like bones or like to suck the bones, feel free. I got a lot of more taste in it, so I'm going to hold on to that. And don't worry, nobody else will be eating this but me. You got some people that love big bones, turkey bones, and then just comes out. This is good. All the season. Incorporate the peanut in this, the turkey in this. You can't go wrong. And y'all just have to bear with me because we're all going through things we don't, once I said before, that we don't understand what we're really going through. But my aim and my goal is to show different people who don't know how to cook some of the things that I'm talking about. When you're talking about the South, there's so many dishes that when you finish eating, all you want to do is lay back and say, oh, damn, that was good. This is one on. I mean, every one of these peanuts, and when you know you cooked it correctly, every one of the peanuts you eat should be soft. Your teeth should go right through it. If you get a crunch or anything, it's not ready. When you begin cooking them, that's one way you'll know whether they're ready. For anybody who wants to try to cook the boiled peanuts and they know someone that can tell them how to cook it, make sure when you purchase it, you look at it. You want them dry, looking dry. You don't want them with wet spot, wetness to them, like mildew or black. They all should be like one color, and there should not be anything in there. If you get ready to buy it, it got a couple of them, you can always take those out. But you don't want to buy a bag or buy them, and half of them you're gonna throw away. Even if you didn't know no better and you cooked them, you're not gonna enjoy them. You want them fresh as possible. Look at that. And now, y'all know there's no way I'm gonna be able to eat all these, and there's no way y'all gonna stay and watch me, y'all. So, we're gonna do a few more. And we're gonna leave the nuts for later on tonight, tomorrow. If you don't eat them all, you can put them in the refrigerator, pull them out, eat them the same way cold. They still good cold. If you want to warm them up, yes, you can put a little water in it, let it boil and heat up, stir it, warm them up like they are right now, and enjoy yourself. I have cooked them, ate, went to bed, thought about them, got up, and went and ate some more. See? Turkey. So y'all know it's turkey meat. If you know turkey, smoked turkey, you know that's smoked turkey. And if you want to eat it, once again, help yourself. Trying to get some of the bigger ones out. If you ever can find the green peanuts, now this is a nice size for this bunch. But, like I said, the big ones will be like that. Naturally, you would definitely have to cook them longer. Actually, yes. I don't know if you can see, it look like it's not cooked all the way. But once you put it in your mouth, teeth, you go right through it. If you bite down and your teeth don't go through it, put that in the garbage if you like, but cook them longer. And what I do is when I know they're ready, I turn my fire down, the stove down lower, and just let them simmer cook for a while. This way, if I missed anything, because when I'm eating them, I don't want to taste one that I'm crunching on. Should be no crunching there. Pure softness. And that's the big one. Okay, y'all. It ain't too much more I can say about them. They're delicious. I love them. It ain't something I eat on a regular basis, but I'll say I eat it 2 to 3 times a year, because when I eat them, I eat a lot of them. On that note, once again, be safe and let's respect each other, and see you on the next video. And do not forget to hit that notification button, subscribe, leave that comment, let me know what you think about eating boiled peanuts with turkey. I love to hear from you. Bye bye.